The following techniques we use for both our cleansing and exfoliation phases. I pour the necessary amount of products into my hands and warm it for a few seconds, so that the application is pleasant. The first step will be on the upper chest, just below the collarbones. We allow me to work the décolleté accurately. The hands are in a horizontal position to promote stability and openness. The second support involves one hand hugging the neck, again in a horizontal position, and the other hand hugging along the forehead. Finally, the full hands is in an upright position support the face. The palms below the eyes hugging the zygomatic area, while the tips reach to the chin. I rest one hand on the other to allow moderate and stable pressure to my movements. I draw large H's on décolleté, accommodating natural edges and curves of the face, involving the shoulder area and deltoid as much as possible, creating openness in the chest area and relaxing muscle tension. I move to the side of the neck and now carry out verticals 8 with a lighter pressure, and this helps with draining. Depending on the product used on the length of my guest neck, I can work with both hands, overlapping hands, or take advantage for both options to offer maximum effectiveness and pleasantness. I move again to the cheeks and side of the face, in the same manner as for the neck. I carry out the figure 8 movements that provide a relaxing, waving effect. Now I focus on the chin, creating 2 alternating crescents, and on the side of the nose, where I will do small rotations, again alternating, in order to carefully cleanse these areas that needs to be cleansed and exfoliated. I have now reached the eye contour area. The hands are overlapping, the pressure is medium and gentle, and the rotation of the 8 includes the temples and goes as far as incorporating the nasolabial folds. My movements are slow and careful, especially if I'm using a scrub to prevent the product from getting into the eyes. I finish the upper part of the face with the figure 8 movements on the forehead. The hands are overlapping. I can allow myself more pressure in this area, as the forehead is protected and supported by a wide, flat, bony portion. I conclude the cleansing or exfoliation with long, full-handed glides to the side of the face, from the collarbones to the temples. With this step, I ensure that the products have reached the sides of the face properly and remove any excess.